We sell these Subaru conversion kits for almost every model of Subaru. You can see here if you have any questions, we have concierge style tech support in Raleigh, North Carolina. Give us a call at 919-858-2890 or check out the Help Center on our website. We do all of our engineering and development work right here in our facility in Raleigh, North Carolina. You can see this is our custom Hamilton heat exchanger, and we've developed the computer inside this device from scratch. We use only the highest quality Qualcomm processors and top-of-the-line specs throughout. Because we capture our CAN bus data on American vehicles, that's the data that interacts between the vehicle modules. You can see we have our own CAN bus box that we program here in Raleigh, North Carolina. This means we can be confident that our systems will preserve all of your factory features and work flawlessly with your original equipment. Other providers that don't have the resources to do their engineering work in the United States can't have that same level of certainty with American spec features. We've also custom engineered the Hamilton heat exchanger here to dissipate 6 times or more of the heat of some of our leading competition. This means for vehicles in the United States where it can get very hot, they're going to stand up to all climates. The last thing that I'll point out to you is the quality of the Hamilton wiring harnesses. When you're installing an aftermarket screen in your car, it's very important that they hold up over time and that you don't have issues during the installation. We work with a very unique harness manufacturer that makes sure the pins in our harnesses have a double locking mechanism so they don't move around when you're putting harnesses together. On lower end harnesses, those pins can wiggle and cause intermittent glitches. Our harness manufacturer also works with some of the OEM equipment manufacturers. I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company. Because of all these aspects, we're able to back our products by our 3-year Hamilton guarantee. It's a top-of-the-line warranty that says we're going to take great care of you before, during, or after your purchase. If you have any questions, give us a call. You can talk to me or one of my team members. We're so honored to earn your business, and I'll see you in the next video.